Hello everyone, and welcome to another video with Special Maths Academy. In this video, I'll be looking at the 20th problem from the Special Maths Contest 2023, the first round. Before we move into this problem, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's go into this question. It says, what is the sum of the coefficients of terms with even powers of x? Okay, so we describe what we mean by even powers of x. In the expansion, 1 minus 2 x plus y to the power of 2023. Okay. So basically we want to expand this. And then we sum the coefficients of x that have an even power. Okay, I think I will make my pen a bit thicker. Okay, yeah. So I want to sum this. So the first thing you have to notice is that every term either has an even power of x or an odd power of x. So even if it's a constant, then the power of x is going to be 0. Okay, so we can split it into, so we can say this is equals to EXY plus OXY. Okay, so now, so EXY contains, so terms of the form x to the power of 2m times y to the power of n. Okay, so we're more concerned with the power of x. And then OXY contains the ones of this form. Okay, so it means we can always expand it this way. So now what can we say about this? The first thing we can say is that EXY is equals to E negative XY and OXY is equals to negative O negative XY. Okay, so this is like based like some sort of even odd function kind of thing. So we can exploit this. Now, normally when you want to find sum of coefficients, what you just do is you substitute one. But the thing is, this expansion in this question contains some terms that we don't want to find. So basically, we actually want the sum of the coefficients of E. So basically, we want E 1, comma 1. So this is what we want. Okay. So now we can plug in 1, 1, and let's see what we get. So when we plug in 1, 1, we have 1 minus 2 plus 1 to the power of 2023. So this is equal to E11 plus O11. Okay. So this gives us, this is 0. So 0 is equals to E11 plus O11. Okay, that's interesting. Now, next, we can see that E and O, they sort of behave like even and odd functions respectively. So uh, it means E11 is equal to E minus 1, 1. So we can exploit this fact. So when we put in minus 1 for x and 1 for y, we have 1 plus 2 plus 1 to the power of 2023 is equals to E minus 1, 1 plus O minus 1, 1. Okay, so let me scroll down a bit. So we have 4 to the power of 2023. So recall this is even. So this is just going to be E11. Okay. And this is odd. So this is actually going to be minus O11. Okay. So we have some sort of simultaneous equation here. And we can solve simultaneously. So we can actually add these two equations up to get 4 to the power of 2023 is equal to 2 times E11. Okay. So we can now say this is, so this is 2 to the power of 4046 equals to 2E11. Okay. So this implies that E11, which we are looking for, is 2 to the power of 4045. Okay. So I divide by 2. So let's see the options. Okay. So you can see option B, 2 to the power of 4045. Okay. So I hope you learned something new as regards some of coefficients. And yeah, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you made it to the end of the video. And I would like to also wish those preparing for the second round of the Special Maths Contest 2026. I wish you success. Keep pushing hard, and I can't wait to see you in Abuja. Goodbye, everyone. Cheers.